Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Yasmina again. I wanted to show you how we are doing the calendar and weather for now. So you see that you have two parts when you go into Miss Yasmina's class. First, you watch the video. So you just click on the video and press play, and
Good morning, boys and girls.
you watch the whole thing. Then you are going to click on this part that says the dates, calendar, and weather. And then here it says Google Forms. It has a little purple triangle. You click on it and it gives you questions. And you have to read them very carefully. So this is going to be a calendar, weather, and reading exercise. So the first question is, what is the weather today? And you can click on one of these answers. The next question is, what is today's date? And you click on one of these. The next question is, what day is it today? Is it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday? And then this is the super tricky, I hope you get it question. Which number is the month of April in 4, 6, 20? So one of these numbers here is the month. Which one? Is it the 4? Is that the month of April? Is it the 6? Is that the month of April? Or is it the 20? Is that the month of April? When you are finished, you click here, submit. And if you don't answer all of them, it says, uh-oh, you have to pick an answer for everything. And that's it. Your response has been recorded, it says, and then you are done. Okay, boys and girls, so I will be checking for this. This is also for attendance. I hope that you understand, and you can let me know if you don't. Bye, guys.